friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing something very exciting and very different here on my channel. We are unboxing the August 2020 box from Fortune Cookie Soap. Now, Fortune Cookie Soap is something that I saw on Bunny's channel, Graveyard Girl, if you guys follow her from way back in the day. And recently she did an unboxing of a bunch of like Disney Halloween-y type soaps, and it reminded me, and she talked about in that video about how she used to do these fortune cookie soaps. Looked up the company, they're still obviously very in business, and wanted to pick up their subscription box. I just think their stuff looks so cute, and I'm home, there's stuff that I need to be clean, and who doesn't love cute soap? So I got their August box. It's a monthly subscription that I believe is around we'll leave it down below for you guys, but I believe it's anywhere from $15 to $25, and it's monthly, which is awesome. So if you guys are interested in these unboxings, let me know in the comments below and I will keep doing them for you guys. But inside we have some very cute little items. These are mostly small travel size. The full collection for these, it looks like did launch on August 28th at 6 p.m. So I'm sure they still have materials online for you guys that I will again also link down below. This has the card of everything that you get inside. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. So jumping right in, the first thing here on the top is a hand sanitizer, which, as we all know, is so needed here in quarantine COVID season. And oh, before I forget as well, all of these materials are based around the Princess Bride movie. So all of these are themed around that movie. Pretty self-explanatory. So first off, like I said, we have the Mostly Dead OCD hand sanitizer, and this is supposed to contain toasted almond, pumpkin puree, and warmed with amber. So let's go ahead and give it a little smell. Ooh. Okay, definitely has a very strong pumpkin scent. For sure. It smells like one of the Bath & Body Works pumpkin candles that I can't think of which one it is. But it's definitely got a very almost overpowering, I would say, pumpkin smell. But since we're obviously in COVID season, hoping that ends soon, regardless, be safe, wear your mask. Hand sanitizer is a must, especially good smelling hand sanitizer. If you know what's up, you know what I mean. So I'm very excited to have this. Next, we have the Pit of Despair shower steamer, which is in this very cute gold foil wrapping. And the Pit of Despair, let's see, shower steamer is an enchanting blend of patchouli, fresh cut lemongrass, and tropical plumeria. So I can't smell it super strong through the wrapping. However, I'm definitely getting a lemongrass smell coming through pretty strong. So I think this will be really nice to just open up your pores, have a nice smelling shower. Big fan. Okay, next we have the, I'm gonna say this wrong, Mouage. I'm trying to remember what that's in reference to, but this is the Mouage whipped cream body lotion in this very adorable little pot. And this is in regards to, let's see, rich pound cake scented with cardamom, pistachio, and rose water topped with creamy buttercream. Interesting. Oh, was this the guy that was in the torture chamber of the Princess Bride? I just saw the movie recently. I feel like I should know what this is in reference to. If you all know, let me know down in the comments below, please. Ooh, okay. I'm getting rose. I'm getting cake, buttercream. This is a very, very interesting smell. Like every time I smell it, I'm getting something different. I wish smell-o-vision was a thing. But yeah, this actually smells really, really good. It's definitely got the rose. It's definitely got like a cakey kind of smell, which typically isn't my favorite, but this smells pretty freaking good. All right, next we have this adorable, what is this? This is a scent diffuser called Drop Your Sword. How cute is that? And it comes on this little hanging piece, which I'm assuming then you can just hang somewhere. And this says you can enjoy this fresh fragrance in your car, home, closet, or office for a little personal touch to your surroundings. Perfect for school or work lockers. Well, none of us are in work and school right now, so probably not that. But still, this says that it is... Hello, Siren. Thank you. Okay, so this is the scent diffuser that is supposed to have a aromatic blend of medieval honey apple mead, which I'm a big fan of honey apple, especially for the fall time. So let's go ahead and give it a sniff. Ooh. Okay, it's definitely very appley. Again, it smells like something that I can't remember what exactly it smells like to kind of reference it. It's got kind of a soapy smell, if that makes any sense. But I'm definitely smelling the honey crisp for sure. It's not as strong as I would expect it to be, but I also had the stopper in there, so I'm assuming if I took that out, it's gonna be pretty strong. So I think this is actually gonna be pretty good. Okay. Here's the dumb question. Do I take the stopper out and then it just kind of comes out? Let me know down in the comments below how I'm supposed to use this. I'll look it up online as well too on their website, but I'm intrigued by this whole thing. Next is the inconceivable perfume oil, which you apply to your pressure points, gently dab together, and enjoy your signature scent for that day. And obviously, inconceivable is like one of the best lines of that whole movie. Ooh, okay. This is very interesting. Okay, so the scent for this one, it says, is Fall Woods, Black Amber, and Poached Pears topped with whipped vanilla cream. Interesting. So, okay, smelling it again. I definitely smell the vanilla, for sure. Again, what's so interesting with these is every time you smell it, you kind of pull something different out of it, which is really cool. I'm definitely smelling the pear. This smells really interesting. It smells really good and very different from anything I've smelled. It's definitely warmer. It's more of a like fall, winter type scent. It's not very fruity. It's a little more heavy. But yeah, I think for the upcoming months, this will be pretty great. And last but not least, most exciting, is the fortune cookie soap, which comes in every box. And look how cute this is. It's a fortune cookie soap with what looks like blood, which is a little disturbing. However, I think it also comes with, it's kind of going through, but if you guys can tell, it's got like a little sword. Is that what this is? Hang on. It's kind of stuck. Let me see if I can hold, please. Oh gosh. Well, I just broke it. So we'll pretend the sword isn't broken, but this is a really cute fortune cookie soap. I don't know what else to say about it. It smells very interesting, actually. I don't know how I feel about the smell. Very interesting. Okay, what is that scent? The scent is fresh baked cookie dough spiced with clove and saffron. Will clean all 5 or 6 of your fingers, that's cute. So I think the cookie dough mixed with clove and saffron, I'm not sure how I'm feeling about that. Cookie, cakey scents typically aren't my go-to. I like things more light and fruity, so that is a little heavy for me. It's a little strong. I'm smelling a lot of clove and saffron, I think is what I'm mostly getting. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about it. The cookie shape itself, or sorry, the soap shape itself is adorable. Like, look at that. Come on. How cool is that? So I think that's really cool. Again, I'm obviously open to getting more from this company. I think they're super fun. And yeah, I just think those are such a cute idea. Alright friends, so that is everything I got in the August 2020 box from Fortune Cookie Soap. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys are interested in me doing more unboxings like this. I would love to do them for you guys. And also I will link the Fortune Cookie Soap company down below so you guys can check it out if any of these items looked cool to you. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!